That was rude. My phone rang and it made the video stop. So, here's this. This smells so good. All I did was add, some more oats and a little bit more water. There was plenty of fragrance in there and color. He's out. Okay, so I need a headband, and I'm back. Now, while I'm putting this on, just in case anybody's wondering, why does this background look so different? I'm sure that's the talk of the town right now. Like I said, I woke up at almost 7 p.m., so I'm using what little bit of natural light that I have left from my kitchen window. Flippy. Yes. I normally have like a clean spoon or a little scooper in my little masking basket that I have. But one spoonful's enough, so I take a spoonful out of there. I'm not touching any of that inside. Putting that on my hands. Oh yes. Clean hands, guys. Oh my gosh. Speaking of Shane Dawson, have you guys seen his most recent collab with Jeffree Star, where he took Jeffree Star to Walmart to humble him a little bit for a day, and he dressed in some Walmart gear. It was really great. It was a two-parter. I'll most likely include links to those videos below, because you should watch those if you haven't. They're great. But I can't hardly wait for it, guys. Lord Jesus. August 1st. Shane Dawson's coming out with a 5-part series about Jeffree Star. Like an actual, I'm sure it'll be funny because it's Shane Dawson, but also he's gotten into this documentary style of videos lately that I absolutely love. Like, you can tell he loves and respects the people that he's talking to, but he also doesn't hold back his opinions on things either, or the questions everybody wants to know the answers to. August the 1st, Shane Dawson. So he's gonna break the internet. I'm gonna leave this on for a few minutes and then rinse it off and feel better. I already feel better. This is so cooling. It doesn't feel like, now that I'm not rubbing it on my face, it doesn't really feel textury. I cannot tell that there's chunks of things on my face unless I look at it. If you put it really close to your eyes, kind of like I did on my nose, you can see it a little bit. If texture bothers you, maybe you can make it like really super fine into a paste, maybe with the mortar and pestle or a rolling pin. I just really recommend oatmeal masks. So I'm going to wash my hands, and then I'm going to tell you why. Oh yeah, let me get my book of shadows. Okay, isn't she pretty? I love her. We're going to talk about oatmeal face mask for just a second. Just the oatmeal and the water, you could stop right there and use that as a mask. It's wonderful. I just kind of had a craving for this experiment. Yeah, it's been a healthy staple in our diets for like thousands of years, but we've also been using it on our skin for thousands of years, and people don't realize that. It is a great natural cleanser and exfoliator for a healthy, glowing complexion. It heals and nourishes skin with amino acids. It's hydrating and hypoallergenic. It reduces redness, itching, and inflammation. Rub it on your face, so it's kind of exfoliating, and it sits there and just nourishes your skin. It's so great. I'll leave it on 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry. Oatmeal masks are great for acne and rosacea, anti-aging. Oatmeal was used as early as 2000 BC by Egyptians and Greeks to treat and beautify the skin.
Hey, what are you doing? Look who jumped off the balcony. I don't know the dog. We don't know. She's smelling up all the new things. Okay, this is my balcony.
And she went straight out there, jumped on there, on that thing, and just kind of shimmied on down. Just so you know, I still am wearing that green oatmeal mask. Hey, look, she's outside and she loves it. Okay, it's time to go inside, baby. I'm gonna try to get her and we'll go inside. And I'll be back in a second. See you guys in a minute. Meow. So we're back. Yeah, she's meowing. She wants outside. That's not happening right now. Whew. I washed the oatmeal off my face. I used water and a soft rag, and it also seems to kind of double as a scrub. I'm loving that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how to make that mask. And kind of in the middle of all that, my cat jumped off the balcony. So. Alright, well that's it for this video then. I love you guys so much, and I will let you go until the next video.